Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you saw, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Premium Box. Now, this is the first box since our price increase. Now, for those of you who do not know about BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below. And that way you will be well informed so that you can make a decision for yourself. Now, I do also have a code down below. So if you'd like to get some money off your first box, all you have to do is click down below. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up this box, and of course this allows us to know this is premium. Okay, it's blue, and of course these big giant letters that say premium don't hurt. Okay, now the first thing we pull out is our description card, and it says our theme for this month is invite only. Okay, it gives us some information about the holiday blowout sale and get a free gift valued over $40. New deals will drop all month long, but hurry, gift quantities are limited. Shop now at BoxyCharm.com. So let's just jump in, and the first item that we have is by KVD Beauty, and that's this one right here. This is the Lactic Powder Foundation, and it's a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instant blurring, and extreme long wear in a sexy compact. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $37. Now, according to the packaging, it says this is a 9-gram size or 0.31 ounces. Okay, and it says flexible, medium to full coverage, extreme long wear, micro blurring technology, and it's refillable. Okay, I like that. Now, this is what the compact looks like. Okay, and I do see why they say it is refillable. So when we pop it open, of course, there is a mirror. Okay, and here is our beauty sponge, and this is what the foundation itself looks like. Okay, and the shade that I have is Deep 200. Okay, this really is very sexy. It is very sexy. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying this out. This will be the foundation we use when we do our try-on review and first impression. So, as I stated, this is item number 1. Then the next item that we have is by Rhodial, and this is the blush drops, and it says enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $50, and this is a new launch. The size is 0.5 fluid ounces, and the shade that I have is called Sunset Kiss. Now, this is something new. I do wear blush. This is interesting though. I'd like to see what this is like. So we are actually going to try this out. It does have an 18-month shelf life. And how about we just try it on and see? This is what the inside packaging looks like. This bottle is very pretty. I apologize for the noise up above. Okay, it doesn't say whether we should shake it or not, but let's go ahead and shake it up and see. And, oh, all right. Let's put just a little. Okay, I just put a little dab. And let's just use a small brush. This is not a regular blush brush, but because we put such a small amount on, I like this. It almost has a creamy texture to it, but it's beautiful. And it has wonderful luminosity to it. How about that? Almost like a highlight. And I'll have you know it is not sticky at all. Okay, that is item number 2. Okay, then the next item that we have, okay, and it came like this, just so you know, by the Better Skin Company, and this is the Eye Bright Now, okay? And it says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this is brand new in Boxy. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. This one says anti-puff, anti-dark circle serum, and it is a 1 fluid ounce size, and it has a 24-month shelf life. It says it's good for all people. How about that? Alrighty. That is item number 3. Then, now y'all know I love me some products with lemon in it. The next one is Nudestix Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. All right. And this one says, the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating the skin tone and texture. Powered by enzymatic peeling action of papain, along with the renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extract. This skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34, and it is 2.03 fluid ounces. And it says apply as a mask all over face, finger massage to peel. What? Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes and rinse off with water only. Use 3 to 4 times per week. Okay, this has a 12-month shelf life. And I'm very interested to try this. Okay, now, y'all know I really want to open this. I really do. I really want to open it. But I'm going to wait. I'll let you know when I'm going to use it. and I will let you know what the results are, okay? So then let's move on to the next item, which happens to be Riddle oil. And this is an original roll-on oil. This is the outside packaging. I know that it is white packaging, so it's a little difficult to see the wording on it. But it says, made with simple ingredients of amber and musk, the roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. Okay. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. I love things like that. I love it when a scent is like that. Okay? The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is also new to Boxy, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $50 as well. And according to this, it's best if used by September 1st, 2023. Okay? And this I love. Now, usually they let you know what the name of the scent is. This one gives you a question mark. How about that? Okay, so, it's made in Venice, California. Now, it looks like it's about a 1 ounce size. The bottle is pretty. How about that? Okay. And I don't know. It doesn't really have a smell by itself. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that really smells. Frank, come here.
Yeah.
Please don't say anything smart, Alec-ish, because I am leaving this in.
Smells good. What is that?
Smells good, right?
Yeah, what is that?
Okay, so what this is called Original. And it's bland by itself. It doesn't have a scent.
Okay.
But it goes with the pheromones in your skin to create your own fragrance. So you don't smell like anybody else. Yes or no?
Interesting.
No, you can't say anything smart, because I'm not going to take this off. Don't say all. Don't say all. Okay, thank you. Okay, go. Go back and do what you were doing. And the next... Bye. Thank you. And the last item in this box is by GIRLACTIC. Okay, and you know GIRLACTIC really does have this nice metallic rose-colored packaging. And this one is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. And it says, fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. And this one is a 0.176 ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life. And it's called La Rose. Beautiful packaging. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, there are rose petals in there. Okay, it's very beautiful. All right, we're going to try it out right now. Look at that. And they are moving, so I have to kind of slide it out gently to make sure that they aren't coming out. So, wow. I didn't even put, oh, look at that. I barely put any on, barely. But it feels really nice. It does have a hint of petroleum jelly smell. I like. Okay, now that's the last item in our box, okay? Now, I swatched everything except for this foundation. So I do want to check this foundation and make sure this shade is mine. So I'm going to put it in. Let's just do this. Okay. Alrighty, I'm good to go. I am good to go. I definitely, once again, showing you that shade, I definitely like this, okay? It matched up very, very well. Very excited to use that one, okay? Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our November BoxyCharm Premium Box, of which these are the items that were enclosed. Okay, down below you will see the manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything inside, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for hanging out with me, and remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,